Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever started a detox only to feel frustrated, tired or like it wasn't working, you're not alone. Because the truth is most detoxes fail because they skip the essentials that your body actually needs. So today I'm going to break down the 3 key ingredients for a detox that works. Stick with me because this could be the game changer for your health journey in dry January and beyond. But let's be honest, most popular detox programs focus on quick fixes. However, it's about supporting your body with the right herbs, whole foods, and hydration to help it do what it's naturally designed to do: heal and reset. Worse yet, quick fixes can place stress on your liver and kidneys, the very organs you're trying to support. A proper detox should give your body everything it needs to heal and reset naturally. The irony is, a quick detox fix can actually place more stress on your liver and kidneys. A proper detox doesn't deplete you. It gives your body the tools it needs to reset naturally and sustainably. Now, herbs are our unsung heroes of detoxing. They work with your body to support the liver, blood, and digestive system, your key detox pathways. Now, in my 10-day detox plan, I use 5 carefully selected herbs, each backed by science. Dandelion root is proven to stimulate bile production and flush toxins from the liver. You'll feel less bloated and more energized. A 2014 study showed that burdock root enhances blood purification and reduces inflammation. Now, turmeric root contains a compound called curcumin. Now, this active compound is widely studied for reducing inflammation and protecting liver cells. Now, this soothing herb, marshmallow root, coats the digestive tract, helping ease discomfort and support gut healing. And this wonderful, vibrant flowering herb is hibiscus. And hibiscus is packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and improve hydration. Your skin and your energy will thank you. Now, herbs are gentle but powerful. They don't force the body, they support it naturally. Now, when it comes to whole foods, a good detox is about simple, nourishing meals that fuel your body. Whole foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, legumes, and healthy fats provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that the liver and gut need to cleanse effectively. Now, fiber is critical because it helps eliminate toxins through the digestive system. Without fiber, toxins can recirculate in the body. In the 10-day detox reset plan, you'll get tasty, easy to follow recipes to support your body. You have satisfying meals to keep your energy steady, healthy snacks to keep your energy going, and these are all Mediterranean-inspired dishes packed with flavour and nutrients. Now, here's something most people don't realise. You can't detox effectively if you're dehydrated. Water and herbal teas are the transport system for toxins to leave your body. So staying hydrated supports kidney function, helps the liver flush toxins, and keeps your digestive system moving. Herbal teas like hibiscus and dandelion root add extra benefits because they hydrate and nourish. A simple tip is to start your morning with warm lemon water. This stimulates digestion and alkalizes the body and gives your liver a gentle kickstart. I've had so many people tell me they felt stuck before starting a proper detox. They get low energy, they have sugar cravings, brain fog and sluggish digestion. But once they focused on nourishing meals, hydration and herbs like these, the changes were incredible. Energy levels soared, skin cleared up, food cravings disappeared, and they identified triggers that was impacting their sleep. Now, Nieves said, I needed a detox because my skin wasn't looking right and I wasn't sleeping well. I realised that I didn't just need a diet, I needed a full detox plan. On the first day, I felt extremely tired, like I just wanted to sleep all day. And I thought maybe this detox wasn't for me. But I told myself to be patient. And by the third and fourth day, I started feeling so much better. The biggest change for me was my sleep. I went from waking up at the slightest noise to sleeping deeply throughout the night. In the mornings, I felt energized and full of energy and ready to take on the day. I also noticed that eating wheat cereals again affected my sleep negatively. But as soon as I removed them, my sleep improved again. Overall, I feel much more energetic. I lost weight and my skin looks so much better. Thank you for all the ideas and the amazing energy. I love the experience it's given me. Stephanie said, I used to wake up constantly at night, feeling overheated and drinking lots of water, but nothing seemed to help. After taking the herbs, I don't have that problem anymore. Truly, I don't. I found this detox excellent, and I highly recommend it to anyone suffering from minor ailments or struggling with their health. And Teresa said, I suffer from lupus, and one of the first things I noticed during the detox was that my skin wasn't so dull anymore. People even started asking me what I'd been doing because I looked so well. Another big change is that I don't feel constantly hungry anymore. I eat my meals, but I no longer crave food all the time like I used to. Smoothies have also become my favourite thing in the mornings. I absolutely love them now, and they make me feel great. So, if you're ready to give your body a reset and start dry January strong, my 10-day detox plan is here to guide you and enhance the benefits and give you every step that you need along the way. So what you'll get is a complete step-by-step guide with simple recipes, clear instructions on how and when to use these powerful herbs, and access to our supportive Telegram group for encouragement and tips. Now you can grab the guide on its own for just £10 if you already have herbs, or you can choose the complete herbal bundle and guide for ultimate convenience. Click the link in the description below and let's get started, because this isn't just another detox, it's a great reset for your health, habits and well-being. And it's a blueprint that you can use again and again. You deserve to feel amazing. Let me know in the comments what excites you most about starting this detox journey. If you've enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So be healthy, stay happy, and always be wise.